Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing a Blushmark try-on haul with some affordable and trendy fall outfits. And if you're new and you stumbled across this video, welcome. My name is Patty. You'll see a new video from me here every Thursday and every Sunday. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Alright guys, so today I am sharing a haul here from the store called Blushmark. They are an affordable and trendy online store, and honestly nothing on this rack I believe is over $25. I absolutely love the pieces that they have. I feel like the quality is very good, and they have a lot of good fall pieces that you can wear right now for some fall outfits. I got about 7 items here on the rack to share with you guys, and I also do have a coupon code that'll give you 20% off. I'll leave all that information in the description box down below, and let's go ahead and get this haul started. Alright guys, so the first piece of my Blushmark try-on haul is this little sweatshirt here. What I love about it is that you can kind of like scrunch it up on the bottom, so you can kind of even make it a crop top and wear this with some high-waisted jeans, or you can leave it loose as is. I love the olive green color. I think this one did come in another color, but the olive green just kind of stood out to me, and I definitely want to wear this with like a pair of jeans and a pair of combat boots or any type of booties. I feel like this is such an essential top that I feel will work so great to create fall outfits. The material is very breathable, it's very light, and you can definitely throw a jacket over this if you like as well. I really like this shirt. I feel like it's kind of like a basic that I feel like I'm gonna wear this over and over for fall. And the next piece in my Blushmark try-on haul is this leopard top here. I love this top. When I saw it on the website, I didn't even hesitate a second until I added it to my cart. I absolutely love leopard print. You guys already know that. And what I really like about the shirt is kind of like the details. It has kind of like a scallop type of style, and it's a little bit off the shoulders. And it also has something you can tie around the waist. You can either leave it loose or use the tie. I tried this on with a pair of faux leather leggings, and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to wear this. Like I said, you can either tuck this in with some high-waisted pants or jeans, or you can leave it loose. I am so in love with this top. I feel like it looks very luxe, like something you would find in like Nordstrom's for like 40-50 bucks. And honestly guys, nothing in this haul is over 25 bucks. I feel like this is like a nice little gem that I found on Blushmark. And the next piece guys is this skirt here. Now this skirt, it's in a nice pretty kind of like plaid print, and if you've seen my last Shein haul, I got a skirt very similar to this print, and I told you guys that I wanted to create some holiday outfits with that skirt, but that skirt just ended up being so long. What I had in mind was more of the length of this one, kind of like the knees or maybe even a little longer. The other one fit me so long, it fit me up to my ankles, so I definitely wanted to get something similar again with this kind of like plaid print with the red. I feel like this would make such great holiday outfits that I cannot wait to create for you guys here. The skirt is very stretchy, it fits very comfortable, it definitely hugs my curves, and just for size reference, I'm 5'1", and it definitely fits me up to my knees, which is kind of what I was looking for, unlike the other skirt that I shared with you guys in the other haul. And the next piece in my Blushmark haul is another skirt, and this one is in a mini length and is a snake print. I feel like you guys should know by now that I'm a big fan of animal print. I definitely had to get a skirt like this because I feel like this will pair so well with like over the knee boots or ankle boots with like a sweater or a long sleeve. I feel like that would make such a great fall outfit. And also, just a full disclosure, in the clips that you're seeing of me trying this on, I definitely tried it on kind of like backwards. This does have a little slit in the front. I'll show you a picture of the model here, but when I tried it on, I wore the slit towards the back. I thought it was one of those skirts, but then I realized after I recorded that clip that it does have a slit that goes in the front leg, which I think it's even cuter that way. I definitely feel that this is such a great skirt for fall if you want some kind of like a subtle animal print. You don't want to wear something like a full-on dress with animal print. You can definitely do like a skirt and pair it with a black top or any solid color top with a pair of boots, and I feel like it just adds a nice pop of print to the outfit. The next piece in the haul is this olive green jumpsuit. I got this one more thinking in transitional pieces because you can definitely layer this up with like a long sleeve underneath, or you can do like a jacket over it, a nice moto jacket. I feel like this is a great transitional piece, and just kind of throw on a pair of boots and you're definitely good to go. You can even also add a wide brim hat, and I feel like it's a perfect transitional piece just by adding layers to it. And again, I feel like I'm kind of like currently obsessing over like olive green. I feel like it's such a great color for fall, and I absolutely love this cute little jumpsuit here. And the last piece in my Blushmark try on haul is this balloon dress here. I have been dying for a dress like this for a while. I feel like it's just so pretty, and I felt like you can kind of dress it up and dress it down because this one is black and just no print on it. I feel like you can pair this with like a pair of animal print or any type of printed boots, over the knee boots. I feel like that would make such a great outfit. Or something I was thinking is to kind of do it with a pair of combat boots and kind of dress down the dress a little bit. Either way, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use of this dress. I love the balloon sleeve and the movement on the bottom that it has. It fits super comfortable. I feel like you can also add like a nice belt to it, any type of belt, and it will just stand out. I honestly wish you guys can touch the quality of these pieces. I feel like this dress feels so great, so luxe, and the price is amazing. Alright guys, those were all the pieces for my Blushmark try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know which piece was your favorite. There's definitely a lot of great trendy and affordable pieces on their website, and also I don't forget that I have a coupon code for you guys. You can get 20% off. I'll leave that code in the box below, as well to each individual link to every single piece I shared in today's haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a new video here every Thursday and every Sunday. And that is it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.